How to successfully deposit on Aisin platform. Let's roll. Log into your Aisin platform. If you don't have an account, go to my page and watch the tutorial on how to successfully create an account on Aisin platform. Step 1. Click on Deposit. 2. Select Deposit. 3. Input the amount you are going to deposit. Remember that the minimum amount you can deposit is 100 cedis, and select channel 1.4. Enter the mobile number you are going to use in sending the money. 5. Choose to network service and confirm. 6. Now send the exact amount you want to the number provided to you. Note that the number varies from time to time, so make sure you are sending the money to the number provided at that particular time. You should also know that you are working within 10 minutes in send the money. 7. After you have successfully sent the money, copy your transaction ID here and confirm. Congratulations, you have now successfully learned how to deposit on Aisin platform. If having any challenges, contact your senior agent or the one who invited you. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button for more updates.